manifesting by when you mention it. This is greatness that you're witnessing. Back on top again, ain't no stopping it. Killing this shit and it's obvious shit. Still no accomplishments, fuck em. I ain't afraid to acknowledge it, that's why I'm bombing shit. Yeah, the way I'ma shine ain't no need for no polishing.
Are you tapping? Almost.
Dude, man. I'm trying to let the head go, right?
Huh?
I'm trying to let the head go, right?
Yeah. I got it. I got it. My fault, bro.
I should try to let the hand go.
Oh, you? Do it.
How, though? Would you wait till you drop back? You gotta get to a bench. Huh?
I ain't never ride a bench before.
But you ride two-stroke ball.
That's
So you know the
fact.
band and all that. It's just way more power. But yeah, what you doing when
When
you
I
drop
let
back?
go hand, he looks sus.
Oh, yeah, I feel
But when I let go, I do it anyway. Real
I
quick.
know.
But all the hoes.
Stay away from the park.
Yes, sir.
He's like, yeah, man. Yo. Then he said,
I ain't gonna get your shit took, bro.
yeah,
I'm about to say, I just let people know that. I just let people know that when I'm on their bike, like I would never get somebody's shit took.
He just like, stay away from the park. And he was like, they just gotta complain about it. He said, otherwise, we ain't allowed to do nothing to people on dirt bikes anyway. That's exactly what he said.
My man.
That's exactly what
They all need to be like that.
fucking camera on.
Fuck, Quinn, you the worst cameraman ever. You ain't getting paid this time.
Damn.
Fuck.
How the fuck I
Get the camera down.
That's why that's how you know I ain't no fucking YouTuber. Damn. That shit must have been on, I would have been like this.
Anytime you said, bro, I looked right at it, I said, I need all this footage. You feel me?
Oh man, damn, I should put that on camera. You like over there with a bike,
Man, that's a thumbnail right there. That shit is lit. That's my favorite thing to do on the four-wheeler, bro. You shift locking? Shift lock. You're not shift locking. Yo, if you shift lock, I promise you, you're gonna keep it going so much farther. Put your foot here. Don't put it like this. Put it like this. I know. So when you come up, bro, that's it.
That shit almost fell back on you real quick.
My hands hurt. It's a heavy
I don't
bitch.
know how you do that shit that long. My shit was tight as shit for a second.
Bro, where's the
Practice.
work?
You know I'm putting that work.
Come on. It's the
Shift
best
lock.
spot.
You ain't putting no work in until you shift lock.
I did.
Do it again.
First and second.
Do it again. He shift locking.
Yeah, I'm shift locking. Huh?
Just learning.
Just learning.
That's great.
Shift lock. How easy is it? I'm so sorry.
Still no accomplishments, fuck 'em. I ain't afraid to acknowledge it, that's why I'm bombing shit. Yeah, the way I'ma shine ain't no need for no polishing.